Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I want to thank you personally for making the effort to be here. Today we'll be developing an application that gives us inspirational words or motivational words as output. Now most of you agree with me that as the life goes on, we sometimes face challenges that discourages us or make us feel down, and we need these inspirational words to give us the courage and motivate us to never to give up on our lives and keep pushing in order to succeed or achieve our dreams. So let's see how this project will be at the end of this video. So this is the code that will give us the output or the results we are looking for. So let's first of all run the code in order to get these inspirational words, and then afterwards we will learn how to develop the application on our own. So this is how the code looks like. You can scroll through to see how the code looks like, and then let's run it to see the results. Before you can get any inspirational words, you need to press the enter key to get an inspirational word. Afterwards you press enter key again to get the next inspirational word, and if you want to exit the application you press Ctrl+C. So this is how it goes. Let's run the application to get the results. So you can see here, press enter to get an inspirational quote or Ctrl+C to exit. So we press enter. So the first inspirational words are: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So press enter to get the next inspirational word or quote. So press enter again. The future depends on what you do today. Then press enter again. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. We press enter again. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. We press enter. Then we have: in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. So these are some of the inspirational words or motivational speech that we have in this application. Now let's see how we're able to do this. So this is the code that gave us the output. So the first thing to do is to import random. Then you can see the comment. We have list of codes. So these are the number of codes that will be appearing as the output. You can also enter as many codes as you want. So you can say code is equal to, then you open your square bracket, then you enter the number of codes or inspirational words you want. So all these green codes you see here represent inspirational words. So you can scroll through, go through the code step by step to be able to come out with the same output. So after you enter all the inspirational words, then the next thing is to define display random codes. Then as you display the random code, we print the random codes. Then if name is equal to the main function, while true, we input, press enter to get an inspirational code or Ctrl+C to exit. Then we display the random codes. So this is the code that will give us the output we got earlier on. So you can go through the code once again, step by step. Take your time. If you find challenges while you are doing this, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section so that I can give you a helping hand. Thank you for coming to the channel today, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. I love you, and I thank you very much for being here. See you next time.